How to create a Telegram account on Android and iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have installed the latest version of Telegram application on your device. So let's wait and let's make sure that we have proper connection on our device as well. So let's wait until it loads us to the search bar and let's search for Telegram over here. So as we search for Telegram over here you can see we have an update available. So you can simply tap on update and start updating the application. Now after the app gets updated, you can simply launch the Telegram application on your device as well over here. And what you can see is this is the main page of Telegram. Now tap on start messaging over here. Now what it shows is basically you'll only need your phone number and your country code. That's it. In order to create a Telegram account, you just need to enter the country code and your phone number, and that's it. You'll be able to create a Telegram account on your Android and your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.